Alright, we got a video today. As usual, people downplaying AI coding and AI editors. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's hop right into it before I give my bias. Honestly, I read the first blurb and it's like I'm curious to see where you okay, finally juicy stuff. Working with AI powered code. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is what I was waiting for. Look, if you feel less competent without AI, don't use like you're not a programmer. Programming is just an easy way to say I like to solve problems. Look, if you feel less competent without AI, don't use like you're not a programmer. Programming is just an easy way to say I like to solve problems. And all honesty, it's the same thing in math. Like I was good in math, like paper math. I could show my work. Most of these people are using calculators and are remembering the formulas that a teacher told them from years back, but they don't really know how it goes, so they're going off of what they remember. That's cool, but that don't mean you know math or the subject of math at hand. For me, when I'm programming make my life easier because it helps me think backwards because I always think with the end in mind. So if you're a person like me that think with the end product already, kind of got to work backwards to see what errors you might not catch along the way. Some people build with no end in mind. They just build as they go and they try to build the best of the best each way. And that's like the worst way to go about programming. That's like trying to fucking solve a math problem with the same PEMDAS formula. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication. Like nigga, you gonna get 90% of them questions wrong if you keep using PEMDAS on a lot of these math equations. You get what I mean? For all these college major students, don't feel discouraged because you're using AI tools. You're actually ahead of the game. I went to an interview, and funny enough, one of the interview questions was, do you know how to use AI? How fluent are you with backends? AWS is a big one. Do you know how to use Azure? Most of these platforms and infrastructures are like gearing towards AI and automation services, even agents. Dude, get on that wave. Stop listening to like these gurus on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? They don't know.